So we got this question to integrate. So the limit is from 1 to e log base e x power 1 by 2 upon x times a minus log e base x to the power 3 by 2 power 2 dx, and this thing is equal to 1, and they are saying that a belongs to this limit. Okay, then which of the following statements are true? Now you know that you have to integrate this function for sure. Okay, you also know that this question looks ugly, and we have to take help of substitution to integrate this kind of questions, and we used to substitute that thing as z which we find to be more ugly than anything else. So if you'll observe the question, I feel that the whole thing appears to be ugly. Correct? This whole thing, because it has constant, it has log, it has ugly power 3 by 2. So many things are involved. So I will take that thing as z, a minus log x power 1 by 3. Let's do the differentiation. So dz by dx, differentiation of a constant is 0, minus of 3 by 2, first we will differentiate the power. So we will be left with what? 1 by 2, means 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 x, and then differentiation of log x as 1 by x. So if you'll observe this thing, log power 1 by 2, we have log power 1 by 2. If you'll observe the denominator, we have x, so on the denominator you have x, and to like how we will take help of dx, we will send this dx that side. So we will be left with 2 by 3 dz equals log x power 1 by 2 by x, and then dx thing. Let's, you know that if you will take anything as z, the limit got changed. So if you will use the lower limit as 1, so log 1 becomes 0. So if it is 0, the lower limit becomes a. If you will use upper limit e in place of x, so ln e is 1. 1 power anything is 1. So the upper limit becomes a minus 1. Now we have to integrate dz by z square. Let's simplify things. The answer is 1. Okay, now let's simplify things. So can I write z power minus 2 dz equals 1? Let's do the integration part. So z power minus 1 by minus 1. Okay, now what was that number? There was some number. Okay, minus of 2 by 3, minus of 2 by 3, minus of 2 by 3. So this minus gone. Now we can place the limit a minus 1 equals 1. Let's do the simplification part. So 1 by z, lower limit a, upper limit a minus 1 equals 3 by 2. You have to do this calculation. It is a minus 1. Okay, now put upper limit, so a minus 1 minus put lower limit 1 by a equals 3 by 2. Now let's do the LCM as well as cross multiplication, everything together. So a minus a plus 1 times 2 equals 3 times a square minus a. Let's simplify things. So it is 2, 3a square minus 3a. So we got our equation which will look like 3a square minus 3a minus 2 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and 3 to the 6. No, we have to take help of Sridharacharya rule. So a equals minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac, okay, by 2a, so 6. Now, so we are left with 3 plus or minus 24, 33, 33 by 6. So we got a equals 3 plus root 33 by 6, 3 plus root, sorry, this is minus 3 minus root 33 by 6. So let's observe the range of a. A is a negative number and greater than 1. So look at this. If you will observe, so you know that root 25 is 5, root 36 is 6. So this root 33 is in between 5 and 6. So suppose it is 5.5. So 5.5 plus 3. So 8.5. 8.5 by 6 is greater than 1. So A is okay, means this first value is acceptable. Now 5.5 minus of 5.5. Minus of 5.5 plus 3. है ना? So it will become what? Minus of 2.5. So it's a negative number and it is also acceptable. We cannot accept a number between 0 and 1. So both values of a are acceptable. Now let's observe the options. No a satisfies the above equation. This is wrong. We got two a's which is satisfying the equation. An integer a satisfies the equation. No, it wasn't integer. Okay, look at this thing. This is not integer. An irrational number satisfying the above equation. Yes, it is correct. It's an irrational number, root 33. More than one a satisfies the equation. Correct. There are two values of a which is holding true for the given equation. I hope the idea is clear and you got the approach, and hopefully you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.